friends, this video is for the assignment cycle September 2024 for the semester 3 of BFM Retail Banking. First question, the retail banking segment has become extremely competitive and hence it has become challenging for retail banks to set up strategies to establish their presence and grow in the market by reaching to as many customers as possible. Discuss the various corporate level marketing strategies deployed for the same. Also discuss the need and relevance of distribution management. Okay, we'll say the marketing strategies in the banks. We can find it in chapter 6, page number 183. So this is marketing strategies in banks. Then need, we can find it in chapter 9, 257. Need for distribution management in banks. So here you can find the details in these two chapters, and also you can refer a case study 373. So in this case study, marketing strategy of Shinyan Bank. So this you can take up as an example while explaining your answer. This case study. Okay, let's move with the question 2. The banking transactions has been a drastic shift in the payment mechanism, especially post-COVID. Discuss the relevance of a payment system in the context of a retail banking scenario by enlisting the various payment systems. Explain any 3 such payment systems in detail. So since it is kind of a post-COVID situation, we could not find complete information in the textbook, but there's a small amount of information available here regarding the electronic fund transfer. That's in page number 249. So here you have a basic information, but apart from that, I think we all are aware of different types of electronic transactions. So may not be all, maybe some of we are using like UPI or digital wallets. So all these things you can look in the open forum and understand and write it in your own words. So this is other points. What I have done is like the first one is various payments. Explain 3 such. So these are the various payments here. So you can select any of the 3, or you can even list on some more if you have it, and then explain any 3 of it. And then discuss the relevance of payment system in the context of retail banking scenario. So something like convenience and accessibility became as a basic, then speed and efficiency, security, cost effectiveness, customer experience, innovation and competitiveness. So these are the factors which actually played a major role when we were shifting from conventional banking to the post-COVID banking payment mechanisms. Okay, let's move with the question 3. Retail banks have faced a long-standing challenge in the form of repayment defaults, which may convert to non-performance asset in many cases. Thus, banks needs to critically evaluate their lending process. Discuss the following aspect of credit provisions in retail banking. So for the first one is discuss the basic lending principles followed by retail banks. And part B is discuss the components of the credit score and the importance of the CIBIL score. So here I could not find direct information in the textbook, but as an overall, we might have, if you have taken in time any loan of any sort in bank, so you will understand what is CIBIL score and how it is done, and what kind of principles has been followed. We also find a lot of defaulters who have not paid back the loans. So such scenarios may be the current situations or case studies you can take up while answering this. I've just tried to list on some factors while lending principles should follow some kind of a character, like what kind of a person is he going to repay us, or what kind of background he's coming from, uh, is he capable of giving us back the amount. So this kind of certain parameters which has to be set to see whether the loan what you are going to pay is going to be um, paid back to the bank. So more and more the defaulters have come up in picture. Similarly, the banks have grown and become better in creating their own verification plans basically. So you can take up some cases and write down here for the answer. Similarly, for the part B, components of credit score like payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, payment of credit, new credit. So these are like a CBIL components, how it is being calculated, and then you will be given scores like in 700, 800, 900, something like that. If you have been taken loan and repaid, so you will be given certain credit note based on your all these components. Then importance is loan approval will be better. Interest rate, if you have done any time of default, then your score will be low, and based on that score, your loan taking a different loan will be a difficult. So those factors you can just keep in mind and explain your answer here. So like loan amount and tenure, credit card approval, financial planning. So some factors I have listed down, so you can take up some more and explain your answers. Okay. All the best for your assignments. Thank you.